Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, Liquorose and Emmanuel declare they are in love. Let's check out the story. Ex-Big Brother Naija Season 6 housemate Emmanuel and Liquorose are genuinely in love with each other, they have declared. During their media rounds in an interview with Makiwa, the reality TV star stated that he fell in love with Liquorose's beauty and personality. According to former Mr. Nigeria, the professional dancer is an amazing personality. When asked if there are real feelings between them, Emmanuel said, "Of course what we share is real. She's an amazing person." Let's check out the interview with Makiwa.
Are there any real feelings in there?
Of course there are. She's an amazing person. I did not only fall in love with her beauty, but then her personality as well. She is amazing. I don't know. If I'm in love, we are in love.
90 million naira did not happen. But you found love. Emmanuel says he's in love. So do you feel the same way? Yeah. We saw you say to him, I love you.
Yeah.
So you fell in love?
Fall in love, I don't know, but I love him.
Oh my gosh. So is there going to be like are we going to see the Emma Rose in out of the house? Oh, you've heard the name, haven't you?
I've heard the name. I think there will be.
So let's talk about your ship with Liquorose. Are there any real feelings in there?
Well guys, do you really believe the Emma Rose ship is going to sail fully now that they are outside the house? Let's know what you think about this in the comment section. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.